Hi everyone, welcome back to today's video and to my channel. Today I have a Dior unboxing and review for you. So today I will try this product here. So now let's start and unbox this product. I just purchased it yesterday, so I thought I will share with you my thoughts on this new discovered product. So this is the Forever Natural Bronze powder. It launched around a year ago. I purchased this Dior bronzing powder directly at the Dior counter. So it's available in the retail stores and also online, of course. I will link this also down below in the description box, so you can go and check the powder online and find your right shade. So the shade I chose is the Warme Bronze number 05. I absolutely love the packaging from this Christian Dior powder from the compact. So stunning. It is so classy, and this takes inspiration from the Christian Dior handbags. For example, the Lady Dior bag, and with the stitching here. It has this beautiful soft material, and it's not leather, but it looks like a leather optic material. Dior Forever Natural Bronze is a silky, soft, finely ground bronzing powder in a luxurious but handy tin with a mirror. So the powder feels super soft and so silky. So here you can see a little bit. I will also show you now how the powder looks on my skin. So I only did my makeup, my foundation and my eyeshadow, and that's it. I don't have any powder on it, so this step I will do now with you together. So let's try this powder and I will show you how this looks. I'm taking my brush. I see it already. And you? I think you can see already the difference from this side and this side. The warm tones blend with the complexion to create an even silky matte finish without being noticeable. Let's do a little bit on the forehead. I really like the texture of this powder. Really nice. So this shade, the Warme Bronze 05, I chose perfectly for my skin tone, and on the website they also say that the Warme Bronze is suitable for medium and gold skin tones, and they have 8 shades available, so definitely for everyone there should be one. What I also really like, it's that the powder has a matte finish. Really beautiful, but it's also not too matte. You still have a light glow and you don't look dry at all. Really beautiful, just to add a nice sun-kissed touch to your skin now for the springtime, for the summertime. It's ideal. So I'm really happy with this purchase. I was looking for a good bronzer, really like it, and this powder gives you a beautiful healthy glow effect. So I really recommend this product. I will leave it down below in the description box, and definitely try it out. You will not regret it. So leave me down below a comment. What do you think about this powder? Did you purchase it already, or are you planning to purchase it? And leave me a comment how you like it if you already tried this product, the Forever Natural Bronze powder. Give this video a like if you enjoyed watching. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. I would love to have you here on this channel. And I see you in the next video. Ciao, have a beautiful evening or day, everyone.